Hey guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of an 81 Mustang. This comes from Steve in Oil City, Pennsylvania. Steve has requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth and USB features. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send it back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to FM. I have all 5 of the presets set to stations in my area so we can get through this quickly without being nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Tantas personas mayores, tanto en nuestras familias,
just run through the presets.
Tanto en
I've been on my grind for years.
That one drifted a bit.
100 mil, I'm calling.
Yeah. Naturally, since the presets can be pretty precise, it's easy to miss the station you set by pressing a little bit softer or harder. So it's just something that you get used to. Let's go ahead and turn it to AM. I get one strong AM station in my area, right about the center.
And come at it again. And why does that
there's
matter to the American people?
There's our AM. And while we've got on talk radio, let's test our virtual balance and fader functions.
In Eastern Europe, and by letting Ukraine basically neuter the Russian army and giving them what they need, what they've been begging for, we can then
fader adjust.
Okay.
Where we have to be focused.
All the way front.
That would be great. If you hit the
All the way rear.
Evidently, they've cut their
Front.
oil flow, their
Rear.
natural gas flow through
Okay.
Nord Stream
Center.
1 to 20% of capacity.
Fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Jiggering it. They got turbine issues.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Listen,
All the way left.
Russia doesn't even understand there is a
All the way
tomorrow.
right.
Tomorrow we're going to lose European
Left.
Union for customers.
Right.
And they don't mind alienating them now. That's how desperate
center.
they are. They're going to lose the revenue.
Balance
Balance set.
Them
Okay,
from
let's make
natural
sure the
gas
Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
in the winter. Show some
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the
Get
Bluetooth is
some
trying to
natural
pair
gas
now.
elsewhere.
Let's
And
test
tell
our
President
USB
Biden,
reader, make sure
you
that
don't
works.
need to give it to us.
Don't need this stuff
Or better
anymore.
yet, sell it to us.
Plug my little radio
So
commercial
here
into
is
the USB, make sure it plays.
Why there are no talks? I've got this a lot. Why don't they sit down and talk?
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track deck's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, I'm able to play that song
very elaborate.
in its entirety because I wrote it and I'm the copyright owner. So they better not nail me for that. Alrighty, last
We would
thing,
love to get
8-track.
the Ukrainians
Got some
grain.
Neil Sedeka
No one's
here.
buying that, I hope. Even though they do have some.
Alrighty, pull the tape out.
In Finland.
Radio comes
Really crazy
back.
thing.
Alrighty, and you probably won't see it, but the dial light also is you can just see it flashing on and off with a soft glow there. So she's ready to go back. The test is complete. I'm ready to hit the post office with this unit. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM-FM-8 track. I can't brag about adding FM because it already had FM, but now it's got USB reader, Bluetooth, aux input, and a heck of a lot more output power. The original unit has about 5 watts per side. That's to be divided between front and rear speakers. After conversion, your radio will have 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers if you're running into an isolated speaker system with no common grounds. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Steve, for your business all the way from Oil City, Pennsylvania, and we'll see you guys next time.